What do the 3 blank TC questions look like? Here is a visual. You are given a short paragraph with 3 blanks. For each of these blanks, you are given 3 answer choices, and you are supposed to select one of the 3 answer choices from each column such that the selected choices lead to a logical and coherent paragraph. So you are given a short passage or say paragraph with 1 to 5 sentences. There are 3 blanks, therefore 3 crucial words are omitted. You are given 3 choices for each blank. The choices are 1 word each or a short phrase each. You need to select one of the 3 answer choices for each blank, choices that lead to a complete and coherent paragraph. A question is considered correct only if all 3 responses are correct. Therefore, unfortunately, no partial credits. Virtues of the correct answer choices. In 3 blank text completion questions, the 3 correct answer choices must lead to a complete and coherent paragraph, logically conveying the intended meaning. What is tested? These questions test a candidate's ability to complete an incomplete text by using the meaning of the given text and context, the intended meaning of the complete passage, the meaning of the answer choices. So yes, there is vocabulary involved. However, this is not a test of vocabulary as such. Rather, it is a test of reasoning. Vocabulary is just a medium. Understanding the meaning is the key. So, very importantly, please understand that it is not about tricks or shortcuts, rather, it is about concepts and approach. What to expect? On the GRE, you can expect 3 text completion questions with 3 blanks, roughly 1 question in the first verbal section, and roughly 2 questions in the second verbal section. Time available per verbal question on the GRE is roughly 90 seconds. Your target time per 3 blank text completion questions on the GRE, roughly 75 seconds per question overall. Remember, reading comprehensions take longer. Text completion and sentence equivalence are the question types in which you can score high while also saving time.